Hello everyone, my name is FLIGHTSIM and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to fly Mahan Air route 561 from Tehran over to Dubai using the IniBuilds A340-300. I was sick during this recording, so sorry if you're going to hear a bit of coughing and snuffing, but I still hope you're going to like today's video, so yeah, enjoy! Okay, so first off, we are of course going to start up the plane. So, batteries on and ground power on. We are then going to turn on nav aids, emergency lights, no smoking can just go on. Don't need to do seatbelts now. Nav lights on. So now we are going to start with the boarding using GSX. So for today's flight we are going to carry 179 passengers. The capacity is at about 280 if I remember. But yeah, we are going a bit lower today. We are going to carry about 18 tons of fuel. Okay, so now I'm just setting up for today's flight. We have imported the winds immediately. Yeah. Flight number today, or call sign today, is going to be Mahan Air 561. So currently there isn't any ATC online, but by the flight plan we are going to depart from runway 11 left using the Eggwell for Lima departure. Initial climb 9,000 feet and our squawk is going to be 2200.
Hello.
Yeah, passengers are on their way. So since boarding has started, I think we can put our fuel pumps on and we can start the APU. So we can now turn the APU bleed on. Seatbelt signs can probably just go on now, and we can disconnect the ground power. So for departure today, V1 speed of 149, rotation speed of 154,
Welcome on board.
and V2 of 159 with flaps 3 actually. So it's a bit more heavy flight than I was expecting it to be. We don't even have any cargo from what I remember, so interesting. Okay, boarding is now completed, so we can request push and start.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback. Stand at will.
Fuel pumps are on, so we are... I'm not really sure what engine usually gets started with, but we are going to take the most outbound one from the terminal, so we're going to start engine 4 first.
Two chocks disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear, right is clear.
Tehran traffic, Mahan Air 561, taxiway Foxtrot, runway 29 left, to Holland Point Charlie for runway 11 left. Tehran traffic, Mahan Air 561, take off from runway 1 left. 100 knots.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Right, throttle over into climb. Okay, let's level off a little bit here. We can go up to flaps 2.
Pull up.
Oh, we don't need to pull. Yeah, I think we are going to take out the
Pull up.
GPWS here. It's a little bit
Pull up.
annoying. We're clearly not in any
Pull
bad
up.
situations. Okay, never mind. That didn't work. There we go. Okay, so there seems like there might be some spoofing in the area, which is why the GPWS was acting like it did. But right now I think we can safely climb up to, or start to climb up to 410. We can set our outfilter to standard, and yeah, just continue on the departure. So we have now passed flight level 200, and there is a lot of time left, well, about 1 hour and 30 minutes until we land, so you will get a time lapse for the next hour because there isn't really any to see. But I think it's still nice to just have a view of the scenery. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in 1 hour. Okay, so we're still a bit out from Dubai, but not by a lot. About 116 nautical miles, so I think it's time to get our arrival ready. So for today we are going to arrive to Dubai at runway 30 left. Arrival is going to be via Teb, and we are going to approach the Udot to reach the ILS. Okay, so we are now going to start our descent. First off, we are going to descend to 12,000 feet. Okay, so we are now approaching 12,000 feet. Might be a good time to put in the QNH that is at Dubai, which is going to be 994. So we are going flaps 3. In the MCU, we are going QNH 0994. Pressure is going to be 37. Wind is at 310 at 9 knots. And we are going flaps 3. So line speed today 125 with APP at 130. Starting to get a few failures here, it seems like. Due to spoofing. Okay. Well, this sucks. I don't remember. There isn't a list here on how to fix it, so I'm guessing it's just something that will go away after some time. But we can still continue our descent. We are going to descend about 8,000 feet. Okay, we are passing waypoint Patid, that is a limitation of 8,000 feet. I think we should start descent, let's say 3,000 feet. And once we have descended down to 2,000, we are going to take a left turn to intercept ILS at Udot and descend to 2,000 feet or keep 2,000 from there. Okay, let's reduce the speed down to 220 for the time being. Auto brakes, can just be set to low, and a little bit of spoilers just to slow down a bit faster. Can put on localizer, or at least to see our glide path. We are soon going to take a left turn heading 350 to intercept the localizer. Continue the descent down to 2,000 feet, and we are going to start our turn over to 350. Alright, localizer enabled, speed 210. Oh, and Dubai approach has now logged on, so I think it's time for me to contact them really soon. Dubai approach, good day, Mahan Air 561, with you at 2,000 feet, intercepted localizer, runway 30 left.
Mahan Air 561, Dubai arrival, Salon vacation left, kilo 8, wind 310 degrees, 9 knots, runway 30 left, keep around, straight speed.
After landing, wake it by kilo 8 and free speed, correction, clear to land, runway 30 left, Mahan Air 561 happy. Cat 3 armed, speed 175, armed, 2 selected. We can take the gear down since we have to slow down a little bit more. Beautiful arrival into sunset. Speed 150, flaps 3 selected. Cluster confirmed. 3 greens on landing gear. 5 miles out. We are going.
taxi looks like you're 23 from the
100, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 hours, 10, 5.
Beautiful hard landing. Reverse. The best landing ever, but it got us to the ground at least. Let's continue over to Kilo 8. It's going to the second exit with a turn. Flaps up.
Mahan Air 561, welcome to Dubai, taxi right Kilo, stand Charlie 53.
Right on Kilo, stand Charlie 53, Mahan Air 561. Okay, engines can now go off. Ignition was on all the time, that wasn't necessary, but here we go. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you really enjoyed the video and might like others in the future, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. So again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye bye!